Hi from ColourHouse again. Today we will talk about colors and metallics specifically, but I'll start the trip here. Pantone has a design system, fashion, home and interior in different formats. And what we're looking at here is Pantone TPG, former TPX. All the colors are lacquered in nitrocellulose, and you have the tier of pages, the replacement pages. You have your guides, and there are 2 of them. And new since a year back, you can order all the colors you like in the 2,310 colors in large lacquered sheets. Great. In this system, we have 7 metallics for design, and that's not enough for a hungry design market. So we have introduced in the range Fashion and Home Interiors metallic shimmers. This means you have 200 more apart from the 7 of lacquered metallic colors. And in this guide, you would have 1 page per color, which is super when you want to try out and build your ranges in this little friend that lives in this folder. So perfect so far. You can also order all the metallics in a larger sheet, and now called TPM to be exact and to close this system. Now this is design, and that's good enough for many of you who work in design, TPG and TPM. But let's move over to graphics. Now, Pantone has been around since 1963, and you've all used their silver color as your standard maybe, and their gold. Now, we wanted news here because there are no new metallic colors since 10 years back. And therefore, we have an extension of these 2 systems, the metallic ships and the premium metallics, that has now become metallic ships and guide. 1 system covering it all. And not only that, we have 54 new colors for you. And the new colors in this guide would be typically covered with a little mark like that. Now, the guide is divided into 2 parts. And what's interesting here is that the second part are the more basic colors known since a long time, but maybe not particularly so good for printing, but more for design and used also in the past, like 877C, which many of you like. Now, that stays in the graphics. The first part of the book is the perfect one for printing and packaging. You can read more about it when you have the guide, I guess, but also to have all the new colors. And you know what? Maybe your guides are old and they need a new, fresh version. So leave your 2 old versions, metallic ships and premium metallic ships, and move over to the new one. And what's really new is that they added a rose color that makes the colors really bring that modern look, just as the cover really tells us the story. So we are happy as long as you're happy, and more color is to come. So please enjoy metallics the way we see it. Bye.